In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a nation like no other, where dreams soar high and aspirations take flight. Today, we come together with joy and pride to celebrate Singapore's 58th National Day, rejoicing in the remarkable achievements that have shaped our nation's journey. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village to a bustling global metropolis, Singapore's transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. Guided by hard work, dedication, and visionary leadership, we have risen to become a world-class city known for its modern infrastructure, financial prowess, and economic stability. Amidst our iconic landmarks like the majestic Marina Bay Sands and the historic Merlion, Singapore stands tall as a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. Each landmark weaves a tale of progress, unity, and the indomitable spirit that defines us. Beyond the splendor of skyscrapers and economic prowess, Singapore shines as a model of multicultural harmony. Embracing diverse communities, we stand united, a tapestry of cultures, and a beacon of unity in diversity. As we gear up for the annual National Day Parade, the spirit of unity is palpable. Driven by our shared love for Singapore, we come together to celebrate our accomplishments and embrace the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Our commitment to education and innovation has propelled Singapore to the forefront of technology and research. With a focus on sustainable development and green initiatives, we are determined to protect the environment for generations to come. Proudly celebrating Singapore's role as a global hub for arts, culture, and culinary delights, we cherish the cultural richness of our heritage, a melting pot of traditions from across the world. Beyond our borders, Singapore fosters international relations, serving as a bridge connecting nations. Our dedication to peace, diplomacy, and humanitarian efforts sets an example for the global community. On this joyous occasion, as we commemorate 58 years of Singapore's independence, we reflect with gratitude and look ahead with hope. Together, we continue to shape the story of our nation's future. From all of us at Fayyaz Travels, we extend warm wishes for a happy 58th National Day. As we embark on the journey ahead, let Fayyaz Travels be your partner in exploring Singapore's wonders and beyond. Join us as we create cherished memories and discover the hidden gems of our nation and the world.